Highlight of the day. It's a good one. They're all good ones. This one, red line from Dave, talks about the iceberg. Interesting part of this iceberg. Number one, when it came in back over here, what we're able to see is how much it does, but how much they're showing. And when they're showing 100, when they're showing 50 or more, let alone 100, that means there's probably a lot more to meet the eye. And generally, they go away from it, come up to it, do exactly what they did. They use it as resistance, but they're finally, when they get through it, they're going to go. So it's a bullish bias using it as a magnet with a move to anticipate that this is going to happen. Strips a ton of randomness out. Now, here's what's also important, that you had some selling that came in here aggressively. And so when it gets above there, it generally could pop. And then when it gets above this, whatever it ended up being, and it ended up being 1,000 lot that was sold at this price, it's going to get bullish, right? But here's what's also important and interesting. Our friend the NASDAQ did something that wasn't random either, if you're watching. They had a nice consolidation area right in here. They had all these swing highs all in there. And so the middle of that prior consolidation was 02, 03. And we said if it gets through 02, 03, it's going to jump. So as it was navigating to 02, 03 to jump through the middle of this consolidation and jam through these highs, it gave an opportunity to play the bias on the upside of it cracking through the VWAP or the VWAP, cracking through this iceberg, and and it was down here at the 72 even area. You have to wait till it gets above there. But all that is stripping out the randomness using combination of order flow, market relationships, asking the right question, and then you see it here on this upper chart. It's kind of like backs away, and you could see when it came in, we knew it was a 100 lot. Knew it would probably walk away. You had a buyer that was chasing it up. There were so many things that happened in here. Buyer chased it up. When they ran down and used that buyer came in as support, but then it jumped up with the NASDAQ, and we're, we're was going to, what the heck happened here? We were going to jump through um, there eventually. So just, again, order flow, correlations, all coming together. Stay safe, subscribe. See you at the next highlight.